Lesson 43. Beliefs and Doubts. When you strongly or firmly believe something, we can call it a deeply held belief or an unshakable belief. The latter phrase implies that it would be difficult to convince you to change your mind. It's possible to have a subconscious belief, a belief that you are not actively aware of. Your emotions can also color your judgment, influence your opinions or decisions. A lot of people believe in superstitions, irrational beliefs that have no basis in fact, like the number 13 being unlucky. Others have a blind faith, believe in something without thinking, in fate or destiny. When new evidence appears, it can either strengthen or reinforce your belief, make it stronger, or undermine or weaken your belief, make it weaker. When forming your beliefs, be careful about making assumptions, which can lead to erroneous conclusions. False beliefs held by many people are called common misconceptions. Scientists and other researchers often publish material to help dispel misconceptions, eliminate them. For example, contrary to popular belief, it's not harmful to go swimming immediately after eating. If you are completely sure about something, then you can describe it as beyond or without a shadow of a doubt. But sometimes doubts arise, or another person voices their doubts, thus making you reconsider. Maybe the doubts don't even come from a fact, but you just have a sneaking suspicion, a persistent feeling that casts doubts on things you previously assumed to be true. When you have a small doubt that persists and continues to bother you, this is called a gnawing, lingering, nagging, or niggling doubt. This might be an indication that it's time to rethink or re-examine your beliefs. After further consideration, you just might arrive at a different conclusion. Listen to and repeat the collocations about beliefs and doubts to practice your pronunciation. Strongly or firmly believe. A deeply held belief. An unshakable belief. A subconscious belief. Color your judgment. Believe in superstitions. Blind faith. Strengthen or reinforce your belief. Undermine or weaken your belief. Making assumptions. Lead to erroneous conclusions. Beliefs held. Common misconceptions. Dispel misconceptions. Contrary to popular belief. Beyond or without a shadow of a doubt. Doubts arise. Voices their doubts. A sneaking suspicion. Cast doubts on. A gnawing, lingering, nagging, or niggling doubt. Rethink or re-examine your beliefs. Further consideration. Arrive at a different conclusion. Now take the quiz to practice the collocations from this lesson.